Hi everybody, this is for Group 2 students and parents, as well as anyone from Group 1 that maybe needs a refresher on Google Classroom. So this is for students. What I want you to look at for tomorrow is this. I want you to make a Seesaw video where you share how are you feeling with spending some days at home. I want you to know how you feel about that. I'm going to tell you how I feel. I feel a little bit overwhelmed because it's almost like 2 times the amount of planning I have to do, making sure that I have stuff planned for my in-class group and when you're at home too, so it's very overwhelming. And how I want you to share that is by making a video. So when you're on Seesaw, your video is going to look a little different than mine. But click the add, and then post student work. And then I want you to just click over here and make a video. It doesn't have to be very long, but I just want to know how you're feeling about that. And now we're going to move on to some Google Classroom items. So this is Group 2. So I just want to go over a couple items here on this. So if you click on classwork, this is going to be where you go to turn things in. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to try this. I'm going to show you the class that I am taking. So here's how I know I've turned stuff in. I go to classwork, and you see I have this assignment here. So now I can click, and then I click on View Assignment. And this is where your work would be. So for this one, I just had to fill out this form. But if you have anything here that you're turning in, like a Google Doc, you're going to click here and click Submit. And then it'll say turned in there. And then you can add stuff to it too. Like, let me see if I can show you one. So let's see here. And this may not work. I wonder if I can do it here. But anyway, hopefully that helps. If it doesn't, please send me a message or on Seesaw or through Classroom, and I can help you out too. But the biggest thing is knowing right here that you click classwork, and that's going to show you where you have things to do. So the classwork due by Thursday is reading your story, which you're only going to see one, filling in the graphic organizer, and doing the writing. That's it. And you just click on View Assignment to work on it. And then you'll see the instructions right here. So you're going to click on this, fill it in after you've read your story, and then turn it in. I hope this helps. And again, please make your video on Seesaw, sharing how you're feeling about doing some schoolwork at home. And then please work on the writing, the graphic organizer, read yourself for 20 minutes, and read lots. See you Thursday.